Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not recommended account. So first of all, what you have to do is, if you're seeing that, pop off where it's saying TikTok not recommending your videos, that means you have violated terms and conditions of TikTok. You will also see a button. If you don't see it, you're going to have to launch the video where the violation occurred. And you're going to have to tap on the video and appeal. For some reasons, if you're still not being able to see any of it, you can directly take support help. So for that, tap three bar icon, select settings and privacy. In here, scroll below, then select help and sender. Select chat with us. Now at this page, simply type in hi first, and then ask if you have, violated any terms and conditions or not. If you have violated any terms and conditions, it will say it right here. And all you have to do is submit an appeal like saying you will not do it again, or you can simply delete the video where the violation was shown previously. If you delete the video, you will be able to fix it. However, from now onwards, you just have to post a genuine content and not some copyrighted music or videos. So guys, these are the fixes that you could try. Thanks for watching.